Xiaomi has officially launched the Xiaomi Watch 5. The Xiaomi Watch 5 features a 47mm stainless steel case and a 1.54-inch AMOLED display with a 2.6mm ultra-narrow bezel. The screen supports up to 1,500 nits of global brightness and runs at 60 Hz. The watch runs on a dual-chip, dual-system architecture. It combines a Snapdragon W5 wearable processor based on a 4nm process with the BES 2800 low-power chip. The Snapdragon W5 handles high-performance tasks and visuals. Xiaomi Watch 5 supports eSIM on select variants. It supports ECG heart rhythm analysis with 30-second readings and detailed reports. The Watch 5 offers over 150 sports modes. The smartwatch starts at 1,999 yuan for the standard version, while the eSIM variant is priced at 2,299 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.